And I'll tell you right now, if someone hit me in my teeth and my lip, I'd be a pussy. I'd cry. I'd go to my fucking car. I'd be all pouty. I'd come back 4 moon rocks later, pissed as fuck still. Like, I don't even like this fucking game. I'm just here because you guys are here. When the rest of the team don't battle cry with me, it makes me sad.
This fucking guy.
We're doing it. Forward.
Forward.
Come on.
Matt, you and I are leadership, so we're supposed to be back here. Yeah. We're supposed to just direct them.
Fucking punk.
What are you doing? Get in there.
Bruh.
Get in there, Private. Get in there, Private.
Блять, какие вы, сука, довны, блять.
Come out here with a grinder on a build day. We're gonna have to move. I don't think so. I'm gonna go up to this blue cover here. Oh, maybe not.
Pissed me off because I was aiming.
A little bit, yeah. The wind's fucking me. Get out of the way, Frisbee. Get out of the way, Frisbee.
I'm just like,
Get out of the way, Frisbee. You're wasting ammo. That wind, I'm arcing them like this. Might be to our advantage. There's a guy in Rough Tower.
Nate, there's a guy in Rough Tower.
Again, just watch your back, okay? Because this hole's right behind you. Just peek in. Come on, peek again. Do it again, buddy.
I'm right here. Okay.
It's right behind that wall. See him moving?
Yeah, I see him.
I'm getting sprayed at from the right, too. Oh, you got him.
I did?
You got somebody.
What the fuck?
They said hit. Somebody said hit. You got somebody.
That's crazy.
I think you got somebody way back there.
That's wild, dude. You like curved it into him.
Yeah. This fucking guy. I think you're getting shot at from the right. Damn it! I think you see me see him.
Oh no. Oh, okay, they're by the that thing called unruly sign.
Got that guy behind.
Nice. There's one more there. Can't still one close.
How the fuck did I not just get him there?
We got a guy right out on the unruly side to our right here. He's on the left side of the unruly. Oh, the left side.
He's running right. He's running right. He's running right. Left to right. Up there. He pushed up. Going up.
Watch your right, watch your right.
Someone's like randomly spraying through here.
You got one guy bunkered far right. That guy in unruly down?
As soon as we run, that guy on the right's gonna shoot at us.
Yeah, left side. Left side behind Alex.
I got nowhere to peek. See you. Hey, right behind blue half cut. He's right to the left of it.
Unruly brewing! I don't see him, but I have an angle. If he pops out, I can see him. Yeah, I see his barrel, dude.
fine.
First time?
Yeah.
Having fun?
Yeah.
That's what counts.
You're shitless right now, but have fun.
Hey,
Hell
at
yeah.
least you don't actually.
It only hurts for a second.
I mean, I've been hit a couple times, so. Except I haven't really felt it.
Alright, what do we... There's still a guy behind the brewing co. You see him? Right there. Come on, peek, peek,
Oh
peek,
shit,
peek.
straight forward, Ryan. Straight forward. Yeah, I got straight forward to you.
Hey!
Oh, shit, okay.
Headshot my ass.
Got him.
Yep, that's the guy. Oh shit, we got guys further left now, Ryan. In the woods.
Gotta watch that guy. He's got a bad angle on me if I miss peek. No. Yeah, he's still fucking. All I can see is his fucking flash hider. I'm way too far away. Well, the thing is, we got people on our left that are shooting me. Maybe I can make it up to this this next cover here. My bad. Sorry.
Oh, you got, I think you got wood in here.
What are you running? You should be running 2/8 minimum. Any type of gas. That motherfucker is still there. I'm about to just go sacrifice myself and kill him. Oh, he's dead. He's dead. He's dead.
There's a guy over here to your left in the woods. Switch sides with the guy. Switch sides. See him right across. See him in the woods? Like, yeah.
Got eyes, yeah.
Yep.
Oop. I think we can get closer. I'm gonna go for that. Stay low, stay low. Right in front, stay low. There's one right here. I saw him through the pallets. Ah, heck! Now you're standing in a fatal funnel. Make a decision.
You're trying to get us killed, soldier.
Just little things to get in the back of people's minds. Sid's able to push up. I'm gonna go up there with him. I'm gonna push. Get in there! Get in there! Get in there! Ah, hit! Get back in there. Push that line. As long as Alex is still alive, we're good. Alex is pushed the farthest forward, so as long as he's still alive, we're good. He just got shot from the right, I think. Right there, purple building, careful. Purple building.
That's what I'm betting on, is 3.
Purple building was shooting at us.
You guys want to... I'm like right in something right now.
Let's see if the other lines can kind of push up a little bit, maybe cover our flank. Yeah. The one right here. He's shooting from the window. Oh, I think he's dead. Yeah, I think he's dead. Watch your front though. I don't even know where that's coming from. Someone saw me when I moved though. I think you're getting shot at. Such a shit push. We gotta move forward. Well, I'm looking for it. I might just go up to him. Yeah, I think I see him. I pissed somebody off. No, we are the line. Matt right in front of me is the line. Watch purple building. You might want to lay down over there. Hey, careful, you're getting shot at that way. Contact right here. Right here at the tires. I see you. I see you. Hit! Bring the fucking knuckle.
still here? Just to suffer?
You good then? Tactical Maraca incoming! Tactical Maraca incoming! I literally just called hit and then shot at me. He just called hit and then shot at me. Shoot him again.
I hit him when I was around the corner.
Yeah, you called hit. He's still shooting. You know he's still shooting.
No, you lost right now.
Oh.
It might have been a different guy now.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. He was right at that, like, tree tire lean up on the right side of the path. Full green. I think we're good now.
No, he's still there.
What?
See?
Yeah, I was poking my head up too. He's somewhere straight forward to you, Nate. I'm surprised you're not taking hits.
He's literally right here. Look at. Right there, you see him?
Oh yeah, I see him now.
Fucking pissing me off, dude.
He's like straight ahead of you on the right side of the thing, peeking left.
Yeah, he's peeking the window on the right, it looks like.
No, he's there again. See him yet?
We can't.
I say him, and he does not say me. I'm the sneaky man.
He's right now, he's right side. He's peeking window.
He's gonna shoot me
I fear you're underestimating the sneakiness, sir.
the second I peek. He's holding that. He's holding that angle. What?
So if you look straight down the path between all these trees, the guy sees it.
Oh, that guy's right there. You just got me killed.
It's only a game. Why you have to be mad?
Line up at the fence line. Get the barrel back.